Hello, let's solve this problem under mensuration. Now, in the figure, OQRS is a quadrant of a circle, center O. OXRT is a rectangle of dimension 16 centimeter by 12 centimeter. Now, you have to calculate the shaded portion. Now, we want to get this area. Now, the first thing to do here now is to draw a construction line. Let's get the radius of the circle. Okay, so now radius is a straight line from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference of the circle. So let's bring this out. So this is the radius. Okay, radius R. Now the dimension of the rectangle has been given. Now we have this to be 16 centimeter, while this is 12 centimeter. Okay, so and this is right angle. So we're going to be making use of Pythagoras theorem to do this, to get the radius here. This is a right angle triangle. You can see that. So we have in triangle RTO. So we have OR square equals to now OT square plus TR square. Okay, so we have OR square equals to OT. OT is 16. So we have 16 square plus now TR is 12 centimeters. So we have 12 square. OR square equals to now 16 square, that gives you 256 plus 12 square, that's 144. Okay, so we have OR square equals to, when you add this together, you have what? That's 400. So you take square root of both sides. So we have OR equals to square root of 400. And that gives you what? That's 20. So we have OR is 20 centimeter. And that happens to be our radius. So the radius here is 20 centimeter. All right. Now, we are asked to find the area of this shaded region. Now, we have a complete quadrant. So out of this quadrant, we take away area of this rectangle. That gives us the area of the shaded portion. So now let's write that out. Okay, so area of shaded portion. That gives us area of quadrant minus area of rectangle. Okay. Now, a quadrant is 1/4 of a whole circle. All right. So now, this quadrant now is going to give us 1/4 of area of the circle. Okay. So now minus area of rectangle, that is length times breadth. Okay. So we have 1/4 times pi, that's 22/7, times what is your radius? Your radius is what? That's 20 square minus what is the length? The length is 16, so we have 16 times 12. Okay, so now this is going to give you 1/4 times, now this is the same thing as 3.14, can leave it that way. So times, when you square this, you have 400. Okay. So when you subtract, when you multiply this and this, what do you have? 192. All right, so now this 4 divides 400, so we have 100, okay, times 3.14 minus 192. Okay, so when you use this to multiply this, you have 314 minus 192, and that gives you 122 centimeters square. So this is the answer to the problem. So the area of the shaded portion is 122 centimeters square. All right, thank you for watching. If you want to join our online classes, okay, so you can connect with this number 2348039179465. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.